Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace, back again with another Soulful Summit. I hope you're all doing well and finding peace in your day. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that is important to all of us. We're going to talk about September 11th and the importance of commemoration. September 11th, 2001, was a day that shook the world, a day that changed the course of history. It was a day that brought immense pain, loss, and grief. But it was also a day that showed us the strength of the human spirit, the power of unity, and the resilience of a nation. Commemorating September 11th is not just about remembering the tragedy, it's about honoring the lives lost, the heroes who emerged, and the unity that was born out of chaos. It's about acknowledging the pain, but also recognizing the strength and resilience that came out of it. When we commemorate, we're not just looking back, we're also looking forward. We're taking the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the unity formed, and we're applying them to our present and future. We're saying, yes, we've been through this. Yes, it was hard, but look at how far we've come. Look at how strong we are. And in harnessing this strength, this unity, we should also focus on the now, on this moment that we have. It is essential to savor the present, to truly immerse ourselves in the everyday miracles that surround us. Sometimes in the rush of life, we forget to stop and cherish the laughter of a loved one, the warmth of a hug, or the light in a child's eyes. Let us use this commemoration as a reminder to hold our dear ones close, to express our love, our concern, and to not take the precious present for granted. Furthermore, while we carry forward the lessons from history, let's remember to carry forward the kindness, the empathy, and the grace that binds us as a community, as a nation, and as humanity. We need to show affection and to tenderly nurture our relationships, not tomorrow, not in the future, but today, right now, because this moment is all we truly have. So, as we remember September 11th, let's not just focus on the tragedy. Let's also focus on the strength, the unity, and the resilience. Let's honor the lives lost by living our lives to the fullest, by spreading love and kindness, by standing together in the face of adversity. Before we wrap up, if you found this video meaningful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Soulful Summit for more introspective and motivational content. Your support means the world to me. And remember, beautiful souls, even in the darkest times, there is always light, there is always hope, there is always a way forward. So let's keep moving forward, together. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and keep spreading the love. Peace out.